Hi, I'm Sue Mazzara from Quilter's Paradise. I'm here today to show you a new tool that we've created. It's called the Thread Stem Multi, and it allows you to use multiple thread cones at once. Okay, the Thread Stem Multi comes with several slots for your threads. You can hold up to 10 threads, and I'll also be showing you how you can add more thread stems for 20. Now, why would you need that many? Typically in quilting, we don't need as many, but I'm also showing you that you can do this on an embroidery machine. This big hole over here is how you're going to attach it to your machine. So I'm going to mount it right now to the top of the machine, and I'm going to put it on the mount, and I'm going to put a little thread cap over it. Okay, so now I have access to all of these slots, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one here, and I'm going to show you that I can just slide it right on in, and now I can take this one and mount it to use on the machine. But I can also pre-mount several, so I'll just drop this one down. I'm going to do another one. Again, here, this one's already long, sorry about that. I'm going to put this down. Again, here's number 2. I'm going to put it in slot number 2, and I'm just going to drop it down. I'm going to put number 3 in, and again, you just push it in, slot it down, and then I'm just using 4 right now today, but we have up to 10. Okay. I can leave it face this way, or if you want, I can move it over this way so that you have an access to the screen if it is an embroidery machine. All right, and so the threads hang down there until you want to use them. What's nice is if you're doing an embroidery design on these machines, you have to change for every thread color. You can have them all lined up, ready to go. When your machine or your design tells you to change threads, it's super easy to do. Sometimes you need more than 10 changes, and if you do, here's an easy alternative. What we can do is we'll pop this off, and I recommend using a bobbin. Just throw a blank bobbin in there. It could be a full bobbin, it doesn't matter. And I am going to put another thread stem on. All right, just like that, and I'm going to put this on. Now I'm doing thread number 11, say, or whatever. I'll go into the slot, get it in there, and I have access to another thread. And I have 10 more threads I can put on. If you have designs that have 30, then use another. You can keep adding. Now this is in this setup. I'm going to show you next how to do it in another setup. Okay, also times we have a setup where this is how you load your thread. You can take your thread stem, and I'm going to show you 2 ways on this. You put that thicker circle in. You're going to put this in, and again, we're going to lock it in place. Slide that on. Then I'm going to thread it. And as you can see all the thread stems, or the slots, okay? And now I will put this down, and I will probably thread this way, because typically you want to go around this point, okay? So when this one's threaded, it's like that. When I'm using one, I can still have the second one threaded, but you just drop it down in, just put it through the slot and drop it down. It'll be ready to use. Here's my third one. Just like this. Okay, again, if I have more than 10 threads, what I will do is I will remove this clip, and like I said, I could put the thread stems next to each other, but I like giving a little space, so that's why the bobbin. And then this one I'm going to put in, here and lock it in place. Again, now I can thread 10 more if I need to. Again, in here, I'm just going to do it out this way. And you just drop it there. If you want it on the other side of the machine, all you have to do is turn these this way. Now they're behind you, and you put your threads back over here. Thank you for joining us. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, and on our website. Enjoy quilting!